So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a Depop balance into your bank. So the first thing you want to do is to open up Depop. So through there you can see the official logo for women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, and sale. You can sell now, you can see some messages, your likes, your shopping bag, and your account. So you can see stuff for your profile, your selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, stuff like that. So let's click on settings. So through here, you will need to set up your payment methods. So you will need to set up your account fully. So just go through all of these different changes. And on there, you can then add that bank account once you're verified. And once you are verified on the Depop account, and usually that's done through the app, you can then add payment method even within your settings on here. So once you've added your settings there, or rather you've added your Depop payment method, or in this case payout, you will then need to set up your seller hub. And once you've linked your bank account and sold something, so you might have listed some item and you um, made some money off of it, you can then check out your balance within here. And on there, your money will be transferred automatically through Depop, so you don't have to wait or click on payout. If you have a setup bank account that's linked to your profile, it's going to be paid out through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.